Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Final Cut login issues, Apple ID and sync errors step by step clearly. Open Final Cut Pro on your Mac. If you encounter a login issue, first check your Apple ID. Go to the Apple ID website and sign in. Ensure your credentials are correct and your account is active. Next, check if your software is up to date. Navigate to the Apple menu and select System Preferences. Click on Software Update to see if updates are available. If an update is available, install it and restart your Mac. Once your Mac restarts, relaunch Final Cut Pro. If you still face login issues, reset your Apple ID password. Visit the Apple ID account page and select Forgot Apple ID or Password. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After resetting your password, return to Final Cut Pro and enter your new credentials. If you experience sync errors, ensure that iCloud is enabled. Go to System Preferences and click on Apple ID. Check the box for iCloud Drive and make sure Final Cut Pro is selected. Next, verify your internet connection. Open a web browser and check if you can access other websites. If you're having connectivity issues, try restarting your router. If the problem persists, consider disconnecting and reconnecting to Wi-Fi. Return to Final Cut Pro and try syncing your projects again. If issues continue, uninstall and reinstall Final Cut Pro. Go to the Applications folder and drag Final Cut Pro to trash. Then, visit the Mac App Store to download and reinstall the software. Launch Final Cut Pro and sign in with your Apple ID again. Ensure you follow prompts to sync your libraries and projects. If you still encounter issues, contact Apple support for further assistance. They can help troubleshoot any lingering problems related to your account or software. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.